Today I'm going to show you how to use a digital table of contents to easily navigate through your documents, especially the long ones like your planners. On this autism readings document, I'm going to show you briefly how it works. Over on the left here, I've got my document outline open, and you can see down here different headings. These headings appear in my document, and if I click on school connectedness, it takes me directly to that part of the document, and then I can simply go back to the top when I'm ready. I'm having a look at our term planner. It's exactly the same. So if you look down the left in my document outline, you can see all the weeks simply laid out. And I've also added in there another level of headings so that I can see the incursions, excursions, public holidays. They're important. I'm going to show you now how to do this on a document, that you're using. So firstly, I'm going to highlight. Actually, I need to open the document outline. So that's under the Tools menu. So I just drop that down and I open Document Outline, and it appears on the left. As you can see, there's no headings here. So I'm going to make my first one. I'm going to highlight the title and go up here to Styles. I'm going to make this a title, but as you can see, it's absolutely massive. I'm going to scale it back down so I can change the size. I could change the font if I wanted to as well, but that will do for now. As you can see straight away, there it is. It's popped up in my document outline. I'm going to do the same for each of these weeks here. So week 2, and I'm just going to use Control Y because that is just redoing what you've just done. I'm going to go all the way down to the last week. And as you can see, as I do this, each one pops up straight away in my document outline. And the last thing I want to put on here as well is this part at the bottom. Actually, I'm not going to call it heading 3, 4. I'm going to go back to heading 3. So these are my main headings, and I can flick to any of those straight away. Try not to use too many types of headings. It really pick out the bit that's most important because they're your place markers in your document. You could do this as you go. You could go back to a document that you've been working on, like I have with this Bike Ed lesson plan that Ross had designed last year, and I'm just putting in those headings so that they really do stand out and make it easier for the user. I hope this has helped.